Configure Large from BabyDan is a wall-mounted metal safety gate for wide openings. The Configure Large consists of an extra wide door section and two large sections. It can fit an opening of 90 to 223 centimeters. The super flexible wall fitting allows the gate to be mounted in or outside a door frame, as well as on straight and angled walls. The BabyDan configure system is the original configuration gate. The gates are made in Denmark in our own environmentally accredited factory, where we've been producing safety gates since 1967. The BabyDan configure gates are the only configuration gates to have been tested and approved to meet the newest safety standards, including the new European EN 1930 standard and the German TÜV approval GS. You can extend your Configure Large with sections of your choice within the BabyDan configure range and design your configure system to suit your requirements. That means you can use your configure gate as a safety gate covering wide openings, as a hearth gate, as a room divider, or as a playpen, depending on the number of sections you put together. You can even put in more than one door section. The BabyDan configure system includes three types of sections: an extra wide door section, a large section, and a small section. All sections, including the door section, can be positioned freely. The door section opens both ways and features a specially designed handle that can easily be opened with one hand by an adult. Installing the gate is easy. Just follow the installation instructions provided to ensure correct installation. Wall fittings are included. Once you've mounted the wall fittings, you just click the gate into the fittings and your configure gate is ready for use. If at any time you'd like to detach the gate, you simply pull the quick release and unclick the gate from the wall fitting. No tools are needed and it only takes a few seconds. All configure gates and sections come in two colors, black or white. The gate is suitable from birth to 24 months. Please visit babydan.com for more information on home safety. BabyDan, eyes for safety.